What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks and this is ShocksCapital YouTube channel. So today I want to talk to you about something that I discovered recently. So there is this company that claims to what? To give money to traders. So here's FundedNext. So I gave them a chance. I tried them and I want you to know how we are doing this. So if you get a payout from this one, I'll come back and show you. So right now I enrolled in this program where I'm supposed to prove that I'm a good trader. After proving that I'm a good trader, I get funded. So this is how it works, right? So I chose a $50,000 account, which is here. So here are all the rules and all the targets that you should get, right, for you to get money. So if you try out a $50,000 challenge, they give you a 50,000 with simulated money for you to trade. Then after that, you can get a reward from the profits that you are going to make from this $50,000. So if you make, maybe for example, you make $5,000, you are going to get what? To get a share of 80%, right? So this is how it works. So $50,000, what you do is you pay for that account, right? This is $299, which is $300. You pay for this account, right? So this fee is refundable. Once you prove that you are a good trader, you can then get your money back, right? So this is how it works. The money that you're going to make while you are still being tested, right? While you are still being tested, while still in the challenge, you get 15% of the profits that you're going to make, right? After that, profit one, target. So this is phase one, right? They have two phases. Phase one, you have to make 8% profit, which is roughly $4,000. Then phase two, you have to make 5%, which is 2.5. Then after that, you don't have to lose a maximum amount of 10%, which is 5,000. You don't have to lose 5,000 for the duration of the whole test, which is going to be unlimited in time, right? So you get unlimited time to hit 8% and not lose 10%. After that, you have to pay attention again to what they call maximum daily loss. So every single day, you should not be losing what? You should not be losing 5%. So let's just reload this page and see. Right. So what you do is you are going to take on this challenge, and after passing, you get funded. So I think it's better to trade with 50,000 than to trade with $300. So instead of funding that $300, you can try out this challenge. If you are any good, you can get funded and you can be getting your profit shares after every 2 weeks, and the first one is going to come after 30 days. So this is how they work, right? Profit split, you get up to 95%, and of course after meeting some targets. So first of all, you get something like 80% for your trading. After that, your first withdrawal is after 21 days, right? So this is first withdrawal. These are the prices, right? So I'm going to show you what I did with mine, how I traded it. So this was my account, right? This was my account, and the initial balance, as you can see here, is 50,000. After that, what did I do? So this is two-step challenge, and this is phase two, and you see here return P2, right? And it's a 50K account, right? So these were my targets. Number one, daily loss. I was supposed to not lose 2.5 every single day, and I didn't, right? And the other thing is my maximum loss was not supposed to go beyond what? 5,000, and it didn't. And the maximum permitted loss increased because my profit increased, right? So this is how it works. So if you are supposed to lose 5,000 and you make 2,000, it means that you can then lose your profit plus the maximum loss limit. So this is why you see it return 7,000. Then minimum trading days, they allow you to trade for a minimum of 5 days. So I passed this account in 2 days, and I had to open 0.01 lots so that I reach this target without making any damage to my account, right? Then profit target, I was supposed to target a profit of 2,500, and as you can see, I surpassed the profit target, and here is where I am. So tomorrow, the day after the recording of this video, I'll be getting a live account, right? I'll be getting a live account, and I will show you everything that I will be trading in that live account, and I'll show you even the payout if it comes, right? So this is how it's happening. So if you want to join me in trading these ones, don't worry, the links are in the description down below. You can join, get in touch with me as we trade, right? So this is what I'm going to do. So you make sure you get your account, you choose your account size, you pay, and use Shocks as your what? As your coupon code for you to be able to get 110% of the amount that you paid, right? For example, if you paid $100, you're going to be refunded how much? You're going to be refunded 110 bucks. So that's how the coupon works. So make sure you get the account in the description down below. Make sure you make plans to what to trade. I will see you in the next video. This has been Shocks, and I'm out.